Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by eliminating the obvious hardware and device misrouting. First, check the speaker or headset and cable connections, plus Bluetooth pairing. A loose jack often causes no sound. Once done, open Start, go to Settings, Sound, and choose the correct output device so Windows directs audio properly. If that selection doesn't restore sound, click the troubleshooter link in Sound Settings to let Windows attempt automatic fixes while you prepare the deeper steps that follow. Now you'll tackle software causes. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers, then update the audio driver. If a recent update broke audio, choose Rollback. Next, press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and restart Windows Audio and Audio Endpoint Builder to reinitialize the sound stack. This resolves many driver hangups. Also open the device's advanced properties and turn off exclusive mode so apps can't seize audio exclusively. These steps re-establish proper driver service interaction and clear common conflicts. Finish by resetting sound settings. In Sound Settings, choose Troubleshoot or uninstall the audio device and reinstall drivers to force Windows to redetect hardware. Make sure to open the volume mixer and confirm the specific app isn't muted or routed to another device. If sound still fails, test with another user account or boot into safe mode to isolate software conflicts. One key tip: create a system restore point before major driver changes so you can revert quickly if an update makes things worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.